वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि हाउ वी कैन यूज़ गूगल शीट्स टू सेव आवर डाटा टू मैनेज दिस प्लान्स। टॉप रेटेड कोर्सेज फॉर डेवलपर्स एंड आईटी प्रोफेशनल्स, स्टार्ट लर्निंग, लाइव mentoring, एक्सपर्ट लेड कोर्सेज, ऑफिस असेस सर्टिफिकेशन, प्रेप, रोल IQ, क्लाउड लैब्स, हैंड्स ऑन लर्निंग, enterprise plans, learning paths, customer stories, free 10 days trial. Using Google spreadsheets as your watch list, spelling alpha. Find the best growth stocks using our proprietary Quant and Stack rating engine. Quant rating 10-year financials, complete stocks, order stock exchange ideas. Optimize your profitable top rated skills. 130 plus premium users, unlimited articles, editor picks. Meet our top experts. Google Sheets for beginners is also used. Google Sheet tutorial for beginners. It is also using We are also using this the Google Sheet for the beginners. And people ask us, is Google Sheet different from Excel? The answer we give to them are maybe just the Google Sheet is far more difference for from Excel sheet. It is very easy to use, it is easy to handle. Mostly it is very user compatible, user can do it easily. How do I create a Google Sheet? Simply go to Google, create a Google Sheet, and create a Google Sheet and start saving the data. In the Google Sheet, you are always online in the data, in the data occurring questions. How can I learn Google Sheet? You can learn Google Sheet from YouTube. Many tutorials are there for the YouTube for you to learn YouTube. What is Google Sheet best used for? Google Sheets are best used to maintain data, to maintain records. All these are the best uses for Google Sheet tutorials, and these are the main plans. The complete beginner's guide. Rate the app, how to use Google Sheet to calculate, how to use Google Sheet formulas, how to use Google Sheet on laptop, how to use Google Meet to make a graph, how to use Google Meet in the classroom, how to use Google Meet for business. These are the all data used. How to use Google Sheets. This are is working. We are working here on all these type of data. Internet speed is much slower, so it is going to be upload. The video is going to be upload. I hope that you have understand the beginning of the Google Sheets, that how Google Sheet works. What is the beginning? Ben Collins, how to use Google Sheet, a beginner's guide. The Google Sheet tutorial will help take you from an absolute beginner or basic user through to a confidential level user. Google Sheet is a highly powerful tool for everything from digital marketing to finance modeling, management, from project management to all these type of things. Google Sheet are in which we are using. We hope you like this video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment box.